So hello guys, it's me again Dustin Delejero, BSE 3B of ESAT University main campus. Today, what I will show you is how to create an exciting project made from scratch. Luffy meets Zoro LED Matrix Edition. This is the schematic diagram for our project. The mathematic notebook are marked with an 8x8 grid lines which will be used to mimic the 8x8 LEDs of the matrix. This will serve as the rough draft for an easier input later with our special op to run our matrix. Now, we will try to record every scene in this special moment of Zoro and Luffy in an 8x8 LED matrix way. This is what it looks like after hours of sketching. So what we will use for our LED matrix is the one with the MAX 7219 chip. This one will be responsible for controlling our matrix with the help of a specialized program intended for the job of lighting the LEDs that we will be able to see later. As we can see, 5 inputs were located near the chip are placed and 5 outputs on the other side of it where it is attached. Output pins will be used if you want another matrix to perform your code, but as of today, we will use only one matrix. What we have here is a female to male connecting wires for connection. This female part will be connected to our LED matrix where 5 input pins are located. After connecting it, let's proceed to the male side to connect it with our Arduino. Let me attach my schematic wiring for a clearer instruction of connecting. So first, let's see what color is connected to the VCC of the matrix. This one is for the 5 volts of Arduino. Then ground wire for ground. Next, for our digital pins, this is where the MAX 7219 chip will be connected. Because we are using Arduino Uno R3, the CLK pin will be attached to our pin number 10, CS pin on pin number 11, and lastly DIN pin to pin number 12. And we are done. Let me first open up here the given code sent to us. So what we have here is the include LED control that can be seen in our library, like this. But if it doesn't have this in your library, we could try to download it. Just click Manage Libraries and Sketch button. Search for LED control and download the updated version of this one. And as you can see, this library will support your MAX 7219 LED display drivers. Here we have our integers. For this one, this is where our generated code will be pasted. We can add this up one after the another until we reach the final form on our matrix. On this part, this is where we will decide on what sequence are we going to plot for our output. The delay will set on how fast our pacing will be. Now this is the app I've been talking, pixel2matrix.exe. Click this one. Scroll down up to the bottom and click download. This is what it looks like. Click the every circles or LED that you want to light up. And click generate. After generating, copy this one. This will be the code that will be sent by your Arduino to light the same pattern in your LED matrix. Here is an example. Since it took more than 1 hour of creating this one, let me just give you a small version of my coding. This clip will show you of what I have done to the entire process of my coding. On the right side is the pixel2matrix. First is that I will copy what I had sketched by clicking every single shaded region to light up the Pixel app and then generate. Copy the generated code and then paste it to our Arduino IDE. After that, in the void loop, we will try to input the every frame that we had created in a print byte command accordingly, or depends on how you want your matrix to play your pixels together with the delay timer. This is the time-lapse version of myself including my 1 minute One Piece scene.
お前悪いやつなんだってな。
てめえまだいたのか。
こんなとこで晒し者になって。お前本当に強いのか。
余計なお世話だ。
俺だったら3日で餓死するな、きっと。
お前とじゃ気力が違うんだ。俺は必ず生き延びてみせる。絶対に。
へえ、物好きなやつ。
ちょっと待て。
あ、
それ取ってくんねえか。
食うのかよこれ。もうほとんど泥の塊だぞ。
黙って食わせろ。
あだから言ったろ。
うまかった。ごちそうさま。